This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, September 18th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a trough over the New England states, another moving into the Pacific Northwest, bit of a ridge in between. We still have a slight northwesterly flow that's going to keep temperatures at or just slightly below seasonal levels as a high pressure moves over the Great Lakes. The winds will begin to turn around from the south and southeast later today. Highs mainly in the lower to middle 70s with mostly to partly sunny skies. The southerly wind is going to slowly bring some moisture around here on Friday. Can't rule out an isolated shower or storm, but the chances will be very few and far between. It'll be much warmer, highs in the upper 70s east to mid 80s in the west. You can see here on Saturday a cold front will be coming through. This could bring us some showers and thunderstorms on a widely scattered basis. The better chances would be to our southwest and to our north and east. That front sweeps through here Saturday night into Sunday. Sunday, the winds will be turning around to the north. Temperatures back down from the 80s back into the lower 70s, maybe a bit cooler depending on the amount of clouds, but we should see plenty of sunshine. Monday, high pressure almost overhead. Some light and variable winds. Temperatures in the 70s, lows around 50, maybe a couple of upper 40s. Mainly sunny skies around. And then as we move into Tuesday, that high moves off to the east to about Terre Haute, Indiana. The winds will slowly back around to the south. You can see some moisture off to our west. A few showers possible in the high plains, but nothing around here. And that stays that way here Wednesday. The wind's still southerly. Temperatures warming well into the 70s ahead of a storm that's beginning to take shape off to our west with another system moving into the Pacific Northwest. And that's bringing a big trough across the west here by next Thursday. You can see that here, the winds coming around to the southwest aloft, ridge to our south and east, meaning that a system will be approaching, and you can see it's gathering strength across the high plains and the Rockies. Some rain and some high elevation snow possible with this system, and this could be making a run at us by the following weekend or so. We'll have to wait and see on this. We go into the extended period. This is September the 29th, a trough axis moving through the state in pretty much a zonal flow across the country with this little hiccup right in the center part of the country. That could bring a storm system through the area. You can see pretty much a lot of showers and a few thunderstorms possible. The Gulf would be wide open at this point, and some sharply colder air briefly behind it before it warms back up to seasonal levels. And then as you see here at the end of the forecast, October 3rd, we have another system just off to our south and east with a trough axis there. But this is not a typical trough axis. This is actually what could be, according to the GFS, a possible tropical system that would be coming up from up the Gulf and up to our south and east of the state. Could say some showers, maybe some clouds. Better chances would be to our south and east, but this could all be gone on the next run. Satellite image from last evening, you can see some cloudiness off to our south, a few showers and thunderstorms there. One storm moving off the east coast, another disturbance moving into the northwest, fairly calm and quiet across the Great Lakes and the upper Midwest. The watch warning map from last evening shows some frost and freeze advisories across the northern tier of the country, northern New England, the UP of Michigan, northern Wisconsin, and northeastern Minnesota. Some flash flood watches across the southern Texas and the desert southwest. The QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall around here could be around a quarter to a half an inch. Some places may get a little bit more. The heaviest will be across the desert southwest with those flash flood watches, where 2 to possibly 4 inches is possible there.